Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel Bldash, short and sweet in chemistry. In previous part, that is 6th A, I have explained the analysis of group cations, that is 0 group, 1 group and second group. That is first group and second group. Here I am going to explain, sorry. Hello everybody, welcome to my chemistry channel Bldash, short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am going to explain here the group cations, that is confirmed test for group cations, that is 5th group and 6th group. In part 6A, I have already explained the group cation confirmed test, that is for 3rd group and 4th group. In part 5th, I have explained the group cation analysis, that is for 0 group and first group. Now in part 6b, I am going to explain the group cation confirmed test for that is 5th group and 6th group. First you can remember what are the group cations that is in 5th group, that is barium plus 2, strontium plus 2 and calcium plus 2. Barium plus 2 and strontium plus 2, Ca plus 2, what is meaning? Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2, that is calcium. Then what is the main important test? First we will see. First you will do 0 group. If absent, then go to first group. If absent, then go to second. Then after that third. Then after that fourth. And you will go to 5th group, then 6th group. And here, since 0 group, first group, second group, third group, fourth group, all are absent, then you can proceed to 5th group. If absent, then you go to 6th group. That means last group is our 6th group. So in this part 6b, I am going to explain that confirmed test for that is Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2, whether they are present or not. Any one is present, whether Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2. How can you know? That means you should know whether 5th group is present or not. To the salt solution, then you should add solid ammonium chloride. Solid ammonium chloride, then excess of sodium hydroxide, that is called saturated solution. Here what happened? Then you should add ammonium carbonate solution. If not happening, then you may add solid ammonium carbonate. Then if you will get a white precipitate, this is the indication of 5th group. If you will get a white precipitate, then you can say yes, it is 5th group. 5th group means barium plus 2, strontium plus 2, calcium plus 2. That means any one should be present. So you can say maybe 5th group. Then how can you do confirmed test? Because 3 cations, they will give white precipitate. You should check first Ba plus 2. Then dissolve the white precipitate in hot dilute acetic acid in a test tube. Then add ammonium carbonate, a clear solution. That means if you add dilute acetic acid, important see here. If you add dilute acetic acid, then the above salt solution, above salt precipitate, that is white precipitate, that is dissolved. So ammonium carbonate solution you are adding, that means it will clear, you will get a clear solution. Then you do one thing, divide this solution into 3 parts. 3 parts, first part you will add potassium chromate, then it gives a yellow precipitate. If yellow precipitate, then it is barium plus 2. Then you will do flame test. Flame test means platinum wire dipped in HCl and repeatedly then shown to the salt and shown to the flame, you will get a color, that is barium. Then here to part 2, see here in flame test you will get a green flame, then it indicates barium plus 2. Then if you see part 2 solution added ammonium sulfate. What is ammonium sulfate? NH4 whole 2 SO4. So here you will get ammonium sulfate, you will get white precipitate. That means to the salt solution, to the above solution, second part solution, you will add, you will get a what solution? Ammonium sulfate solution. Then you will get here white precipitate. Then it is strontium confirmed. If barium absent, then only you will do strontium. Remember, if barium absent, Ba+2 absent, then you will go to strontium. If strontium absent, then you will go to calcium. Now flame test here. Again platinum wire dipped in that white precipitate, again you will shown to the flame, again do like this, it will clear. Then lastly you touch to the white precipitate, then shown to the flame by the help of platinum wire. Then you will get crimson red. Remember, this is very important. What is the color of the flame you will get, that is very important. Now, if Ba+2, Sr+2 cations are absent, then only you will proceed to what test? You will proceed to calcium Ca+2. Remember, Ba+2 absent, then you go to Sr+2. If Ba+2, Sr+2 both are absent, then you will go to here calcium +2. To the third part solution, test you added ammonium oxalate. Ammonium oxalate. If you add ammonium oxalate, then what happened? Remember, first you will take salt solution, then you will add ammonium oxalate, then a little amount of ammonium hydroxide solution, because to increase the ammonium concentration, and then scratch to the side of the test tube, because here white precipitate that is obtained in the side of the test tube. Then here what happened? White precipitate, you can observe, this is white precipitate, then it is Ca+2 confirmed. Here important only one test, ammonium oxalate and ammonium hydroxide excess. Then what happened? White precipitate obtained by scratching, and here Ca+2 confirmed. Remember, Ca+2 confirmed. Then only you will do confirm test. The white precipitate, you remember this white precipitate, by the help of this white precipitate, platinum wire dipped in HCl, and then on due to the white precipitate and shown to the flame, here brick red the flame is obtained, and that is due to Ca+2. Then again I want to explain repeatedly. Remember, first you will see what may be a white precipitate may be, then how ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and ammonium carbonate. Three things, ammonium carbonate also. Then what happened? Here white precipitate due to Ba+2, Cr+2, and here what is that one? Calcium +2. And here important thing, remember, if Ba+2, do first Ba+2 confirm test. If it is absent, then go to strontium +2. If it is absent, then go to Ca+2. Then one by one you see the test are how can you do. And remember, here start Ba+2, then dissolve the precipitate in dilute acetic acid, then it will clear solution you will get. Then this solution divided into three parts. For one Ba+2 absent, then you will go to Sr+2, then you will go to, then here you will add barium +2, the test here, a potassium chromate solution, it gives Ba+2. Flame test, that is green flame. Remember, this is very important, the color of the flame for Ba+2, Sr+2 and calcium +2. For Ba+2, green flame. Similarly, ammonium sulfate, it gives white precipitate, and flame test is crimson red for Sr+2. This Sr+2 will get the crimson red. Then if both are absent, then do for Ca+2. Here you will add ammonium oxalate, and then it will scratch to the side of the test tube. Then white precipitate obtained. Then here Ca+2 confirmed, and then brick red, that is by flame test you will get. What are the chemical reactions? See, ammonium carbonate, it gives all carbonates, barium carbonate, strontium carbonate and calcium carbonate, all are white precipitate. Then confirm test for Ba+2, important, acetic acid, which is dissolved and give a clear solution, and that K2CrO4, it will get BrCrO4. What is BaCrO4? Barium chromate. What is K2CrO4? Potassium chromate. What is Ca3CO2Ba? Barium acetate. Then what happened here? Yellow precipitate. And confirmed test of strontium, then here it gives strontium carbonate, it reacts with the acetic acid, gives a clear solution, that is strontium acetate. And this strontium, it is not strontium carbonate, it is strontium acetate. So for strontium acetate, then what happened here? You should correctify this one, and it is strontium acetate. So it is strontium acetate. Then this strontium acetate treated with the ammonium sulfate, it gives Ca3COONH4. What is this? Ammonium acetate. And this is strontium sulfate, white color precipitate. And then confirmed test of Ca+2, it gives calcium acetate. This calcium acetate, then in ammonium oxalate solution you are adding, it gives ammonium acetate and calcium oxalate, which is white precipitate. Very easy test, very easy test, but you should remember very important also. Generally calcium and barium cations are asked in question in practical examination, and sometimes also strontium may be asked. Then you will proceed to sixth group. How can you proceed to sixth group? If fifth group is absent, listen, if after treating ammonium carbonate, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride, if there is no white precipitate, if fifth group absent, it is proof, then you will go to sixth group, where there is no reagent used for to test the sixth group. There is no specific reagent, just like fifth group, what is the reagent? Ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium carbonate. But in sixth group, here only Mg+2 cation is there, and sodium, potassium, anion cations are there, but it is not in syllabus. So you remember what is the test for magnesium +2, Mg+2 cation or basic radical. Confirmed test of magnesium cation, then what is that one? Mg+2. So you write here Mg+2. Then experiment to the salt solution in a test tube, added solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide excess, an important reagent, what you will see, where you will get a white precipitate, that reagent is ammonium phosphate solution. That means to the salt solution you add ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide excess, just like fifth group, but there is no precipitate. Don't waste, don't throw this one. Immediately to the solution again add ammonium phosphate solution, where you will obtain what is that? White precipitate. That is very important. And that rub the side of the test tube is important. Here by rubbing the side of the test tube, immediately white precipitate is formed, that is called Mg+2. Then you are sure that it is Mg+2. And here to the second test, here if to the salt solution added NOH and magnesium reagent, the formula is very complex one, so only remember magnesium reagent to the salt solution. If sodium hydroxide added, then magnesium reagent added, blue precipitate is formed. This is very important test for magnesium, because generally in entrance examination the student may be confused, and some may ask magnesium reagent, magnesia reagent, and something magnesium something reagent is there. Then student confused. Why? Because it is important, it is only correct that if it is written magnesium, not magnesia. So this is magnesium reagent, then here Mg+2 confirm. Only there are two tests, so you do up from beginning. First zero group option, first group option, second option, third option, fourth option, fifth also option. Then you will proceed to magnesium Mg+2 ion, where only two tests, and here ammonium phosphate, and next one is magnesium reagent. And what are the reaction? Magnesium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, here you will get here. So magnesium ammonium phosphate, that is white precipitate. Second test magnesium reagent, which is very much confused one and very difficult formula, so only remember. The above following are confirmed tests for 5th group cations and 6th group cations, that is Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2, Sr plus 2 and Mg plus 2 ions respectively.